Have you ever stared at the stars and felt something strange inside you? Not fear, not confusion, but something deeper. The realization that you are small, unimaginably small. But just how small? In this episode, we'll try to answer one of the most mind-blowing questions of all time. How big is the universe, really? And we'll take you on a journey from Earth to the edge of everything we know. Welcome to Unknown Investigator. Let's begin with what we know. Earth, the place where we're born, grow, love, suffer, and die. Earth has a diameter of just under 13,000 kilometers. Sounds massive, until you realize that Earth is the size of a pea. If the sun were the size of a basketball, our sun is so huge, over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Let that sink in. But here's the thing, our sun, it's average, not even close to the biggest stars we know. There's Betelgeuse, a red supergiant 700 times bigger than the sun. Then there's Scuti, one of the largest stars ever discovered. It's so huge, it placed where our sun is, it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even Jupiter. Already overwhelmed? We've just started. Now, zoom out to our solar system. It stretches from the sun to Neptune, about 4.5 billion kilometers across. But that's just the beginning. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt and the icy remnants of planet formation. And even farther out, the Oort cloud, a mysterious, spherical shell of icy objects that may stretch up to 100,000 Australian dollars from the sun. That's 15 trillion kilometers away. To reach the edge of our solar system, you'd have to travel for over a century in the fastest spaceship we've ever built. But again, all of this, our entire solar system, is just a dot in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light years wide. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. So multiply that by 100,000. Our solar system is located in one of the spiral arms of this vast galaxy, like a tiny apartment on the edge of a glowing metropolis. And our city, the Milky Way, holds over 400 billion stars and maybe 100 billion planets, some of which may have life. But this galaxy is just one of trillions. There are more galaxies in the universe than there are grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Think about that. Each galaxy with billions of stars. Each star with planets. Many of those planets orbit in the habitable zone, just like Earth. The closest galaxy to ours is Andromeda, 2.5 million light years away. And we're actually on a collision course with it. Though don't worry, it'll take about 4 billion years. The most distant galaxy ever observed is GN Z11, 13.4 billion light years away. When we look at it, we're looking 13.4 billion years into the past, when the universe was just a baby. Now, here's where it gets mind-bending. The observable universe is the part we can see, limited by how far light has traveled since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. But the observable diameter is 93 billion light years. How is that possible? Because the universe is expanding. As light travels toward us, the space it's moving through is stretching. So distant galaxies are now much farther than they were when the light left them. Imagine blowing up a balloon with tiny dots on it. As you inflate it, the dots move farther apart. That's our universe. So what's beyond the observable edge? We don't know. Some scientists think the universe may be infinite, going on forever in every direction. Others think it might be finite, but curve in a way that if you kept traveling, you'd eventually end up back where you started. We also don't know if what's out there follows the same laws of physics. There might be parts of the universe that are completely different, with no stars or no matter at all. And then there's the multiverse theory, suggesting our universe is one of many, each with its own laws, dimensions, even versions of us. All of this can make you feel tiny, insignificant. But there's a flip side. Among all this chaos, you are aware of it, a conscious being trying to understand the entire cosmos. That's powerful. As Carl Sagan once said, we are a way for the universe to know itself. Think about that. The atoms that make you were born in the hearts of dying stars. You are not separate from the universe. You are the universe, looking back at itself. So, how big is the universe really? Big enough to make your mind explode. Big enough that we may never fully grasp it. But not so big that we can't keep asking questions. Because curiosity is the fuel of discovery. And the more we explore the unknown, the more we understand ourselves. This is Unknown Investigator. Don't forget to subscribe, and share this journey with others. We'll see you in the next mystery of the cosmos.